Oh, he's one-hand pickup.
Jesus Christ. Damn it.
I haven't seen that in animation in a while. The one-hand scoop.
Okay, so I guess we're not running that anymore.
Dude, that leg.
Did that lag?
Get out, dude, I'm so fucking caught up with my own guy there.
I saw that. You were caught up in that one wide receiver corner. Yeah. I didn't even fall for it. Well, we have Herschel Walker. There was another coach that was like, why aren't you playing that guy? It's like,
Oh, trying to get the jump?
damn it. What? Can I get a challenge?
Oh!
Fuck!
Holy shit, he's fast.
God damn it, once again. Stop him in the backfield, still breaks it.
Yeah, I think it was your DT, right, that had a hold of him?
Yeah.
Oh, nice play. Oh, it was a man, too. But I always call like cover 3 base set out of the big nickel. Nice play. And oh my God!
I had to throw it inside and play. I was like,
Creamin'. He keeps the ladies creaming and all my fellows. Give me that. That's 6 too. Oh,
not with
Jesus.
Poljon.
Did you go for the punch out, the peanut punch?
You don't believe I did.
That would have been. I thought you connected on it. That would have been.
Dude, can you imagine
amazing.
if he just would have taken it from you?
Yard completion. You got like 15 off it. Oh, got him. Nice play.
Can't hold anything back.
That's right. Ouch. Guy needs a break. He is tired. Come on, let me return it. Some stats. Good game, Bran.
Yeah, good game.
It was, yeah, you had some really, really bad breaks. Specifically the back-to-back fumbles off your quarterback and the one-handed scoop and score for me.
Oh my God.
Your defense played, I have 42 points, but your defense played well.
Yeah, I mean, we put ourselves.